Want to see how I got all this for $12.72? If so, stay tuned. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can see all the new deals that I post. Oh yeah, and stick around to the end because I am going to show you some deals for the 3-day sale that starts at Dollar General on Thursday. You don't want to miss this. So the first deal I did this week are these Kellogg's Apple Jacks. Certain Kellogg's cereal are on sale 3 for $6. I used the $1 off of 3 digital coupon, paid $5 for 3. If you don't like Apple Jacks and you want to switch out the deal, just make sure that you are buying a cereal that is part of the 3 for $6 sale, or you will not get the discount. The coupon pretty much lets you do any kind of Kellogg cereal, but the sale only does certain ones. Next is this Gain fabric softener. It is originally $3 and there is a $2 off of 1 digital coupon, and you will only pay $1 for this fabric softener. The next item on our list is the Swivetol fabric softener. There is no coupon, just a really good deal. They are buy 2 get 1 free. So how this works is you would get 3 of them, and when you bring them to the register and cash out, 1 of them will be free. Now, there are other items on this list of buy 2 get 1 free that you can mix and match with. Just do whatever works best for your household. So what you would do is pick 3 of those items. The 2 higher priced ones you're going to pay for, and the cheapest one will be free. But if they're all the same price, then just 1 of them will be free. Make sure you get 3 though in order for this to work. And for all of this stuff, I paid $12.72. Dollar General is having a 3-day only sale starting this Thursday through this Saturday. These deals are only Thursday through Saturday. Here are some of the deals that I found for those 3 days. The first deal are these canned vegetables. There is no coupon for them. It is just a sale. They are 3 for $1. That means 33 cents. But the catch is you have to buy them in multiples of 3, which is fine. Just make sure if you're going to buy a bunch, make sure you do it in multiples of 3. And vegetables have a really good shelf life, so this would be a nice little item to stockpile. So when you're grocery shopping, you don't have to worry about vegetables. Start your stockpile. Next are these sparkle paper towels. They are on sale for $3.95. There is a $1.25 off digital coupon, and that makes them $2.70. The next deal I found are these $5 Dollar General body razors. Using a $4 off Dollar General digital coupon, you will pay $1. And I'm just putting it out there, as of Tuesday morning, I have not seen this digital coupon in their app. I'm not really sure if they are waiting to put it in, maybe until Thursday. I'm not sure, but as of right yet, I have not seen this coupon in their app yet. Our next deal are these Scott paper towels and toilet paper. Disregard the paper towels, we're not looking at them, but we're looking at the Scott Comfort Plus. We are going to use the $2 off of 2 digital coupon. That will make them 2 for $6, or just $3 each. My best advice: if you shop at a Dollar General that you know a lot of couponers go to, try to go Thursday. Try hard. The deals are a while supplies last kind of thing, so you want to be there while they still have supplies. Next is all of the 3-day deals except the razors, because that is a Dollar General store coupon. Because they are Dollar General store products, you can't combine that with a 5 off of 25 because they are both Dollar General store coupons. But anyways, all of the 3-day deals with the exception of the razors, can be combined with other stuff for a Saturday 5 off of 25 scenario. If you plan on waiting until Saturday, though, be careful because there might not be much left. Like I said, the ad says while supplies last. Good luck and happy couponing!